foam panels came in, very good quality. You know, you can take this off, and then I'm gonna be putting it over here. I'm gonna be mounting this, and I need to paint this wall, but after it's painted, I'm just gonna stick these up, and I'm gonna hang up the TV mount. So overall, really happy with the purchase. Definitely recommend it. Thank you.
So I installed these in our trailer. They look amazing and they're super easy to install. I also put them on this side because if you have a trailer, you know that there's like no insulation and you can hear everything. So I thought every little thing I can do to help, I will. Super happy.
Well, the acoustic panels works well in my bedroom, and you can see that I have not placed them all over the wall, but they indeed decrease the noise. And also they are perfect fit with my walls, and overall it's a good product.
As you can see, we have a large cockatoo's kind of noisy, but these panelings on the door do the trick and really helps to drown the noise out.
I just bought it and installed it. It's very good isolation in my studio.